2006 Honda Element Handicap wheelchair conversion. Awesome little car. 40,000 original miles. Very easy setup, very easy to use. It has a lowered floor, Q-straint, L-track tie downs. Very simple, easy, economical vehicle for toting someone around in a wheelchair. 40,000 original miles. Shows very nicely. Is a 2006 Honda Element EX. Full power, 40,000 original miles. I'll show you how everything works. The lift is manual. It's very simple to use. You have a very easy system here. 40,000 original miles. Lift setup is very easy to use. Got your tie downs in the floor. These seats fold up and away, so you can have the entire cargo area to yourself. If you need to put a wheelchair or storage or whatever you want to do, you can go camping. These seats fold up and away and tuck away. It's very easy. Pretty nice car. 40,000 original miles, clean title, clean history. Very, very cool, clean car. Runs good. We specialize in handicap vehicles, conversion vans. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. If you have any questions or concerns, we are happy to help at any time. I'll show you how everything works here. A very clean car, super low mileage for the year. Got all your creature comforts. Got 40,664 miles. That may change from demonstrating, but overall, very nice vehicle. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. You can send us a text at any time. Check out our website, suprememotorsusa.com. I've been in business 43 years. These seats fold up and down and fold away. Then you have the entire cargo area to use. Just an awesome vehicle, very easy to use. Let me show you how the handicap equipment works. Paint shows very nicely. Just a nice, clean, very nice, low mileage car. A lot of value. So this lift is a manual operation. Take your hand, pull, and it's almost effortlessly. It goes up almost by itself. So to deploy, you just go straight down and that's it. Very simple and easy operation. When you go to lift up, very easy. It's almost effortlessly. There's very little resistance there, so you don't need to be a strong man to do that. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. Thank you.